Hi everyone, so I'll be doing a scratch test using knife to scratch this iPad. Okay, let's start from the back. You can see it's not that hard to scratch, and you can see right here, scratching pretty easily on the back. Now let's do this side. Not so easy. Not as easy as back. And then we'll do camera. We'll do camera gloss too. So you can see it didn't even get scratched at all. It's pretty clean. And then let's try the front glass. I'm trying really hard and you can barely see right here. There's a couple light scratches, like right there. Very light, it's hard to see. You can kind of see it, like it's barely. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.